Guys, good afternoon, Dr. Wasio. Good afternoon, class. My name is Roman Willa St. Louis. I'm going to try to demonstrate how to create tessellation by equilateral triangle, by square, and by a pentagon. But first, we're going to start by to create a tessellation by using in my method. I want to tell you the truth. I mean, easy. Because it's mathematics. More practice get better. So in the first card we see how to create tessellation using my own method. And this example that is a equilateral triangle. So I'm going to make a tessellation but by one point in this equilateral triangle. Okay. So you're going to try to make many triangle by a bunch of that triangle. Or what I can say is that get confusing. You see, in that triangle I make a point, and by that point you're going to have many more triangles. Okay. You see, so I get at least 6 triangles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and each equilateral triangle have 60 degrees. Okay, 6 triangles. So they have all 60 degrees in each equilateral triangle, and they form a cycle. And this cycle, we know already, cycle is 360 degrees. So if you divide 360 degrees by 60 of each triangle, we get 6 triangles. Okay, guys. Okay. So an equilateral triangle have 3 sides, and we find it, and by every 3 sides we make a tessellation. Okay. Next step, we're going to figure out this other example. For the example, how many square will fit around one point in this square? Okay, so I make a square and I put a point, and this angle is 90 degrees, and by this point I'm going to make more square. Okay, we see, in one square I have 4 square more. Each square is 90 degrees in each corner, so it's 360. A cycle is 360, and we divide 360 by 90 degrees, and we get 4 square. Okay, we get 4 square. Okay, this square is an example, can be tessellate. So square can be tessellate. Okay, we got all that point. We have another example. Does a regular pentagon can tessellate? So we're going to figure out if we have a pentagon, each angle 108 degrees. What's going on? That's my pentagon. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, each pentagon has 5. So I put 2 more, but they are 440 degrees in that pentagon. So when we divide by 540 degrees by 5, we get 108 for each angle in that pentagon. So 108 times 2 or 3 does it not equal to 600 degrees. When you make 100 degrees by 2 or 3, is not equal to 360 degrees. So that means a pentagon cannot be tessellate. because when you multiply 100 degrees by 2 or 3, I mean more pentagon, we cannot get 360 degrees. So that means it cannot be tessellate. That's all. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you.